Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for garden and outdoor decor business, easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here with Wix editor. Now, as you see, you can start with Touch AI, so it's gonna help you to build and customize your website. And also, you can go to basic setup, so you can set up without AI. So for me, I'm gonna go from here. So let's start without AI. Okay, so as you see here, you can enter your business type, garden, and outdoor decor. Okay, so as you see now, you can select your business type. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so you can enter your business name. What would you like to sell? Physical product or digital product or dropshipping product? So this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media. Now let's continue to dashboard. Okay, so now you can go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize a design template. So let's get started from here. Now as you see, you can add your information here, your name, your email, your address, your phone, and the social link. Let's continue. Now you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme at your business, so you can try your best to make your site look attractive to attract people to your website. Now you can pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now you can add pages to your site if you want. So let's move on. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. So as you see here, this is your editor page. So here you can, if you want to add elements, so you can customize the theme text, the title, the paragraphs, and the text mask. You can customize whatever you like on the text section. Also, if you want to upload images or import images, you can customize also the theme buttons, the text and icon buttons, and the icon buttons. So also you can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines, vertical lines. That's it. So if you wanna add section or something new, you can just click here, and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. So that's it. If you wanna customize your site design, just click here, and you can change the color theme, the text theme, the page background, and the page transitions. So that's it. Let's move on. So here we have the first section, we have the header section. So if you want to change the site name or if you want to manage the horizontal menu, nothing special here. Let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, if you want to change the color in the background, you can add image in the background. Also if you want to change the title. Okay, so let's move on to the next section. So this is the product section. So if you want to change the section background, the color, and also you can manage products. Okay, so if you want to add something new, your product, you can click here and select the type of your product. Okay, so you can add the title of your product. Also, if you want to add images and videos, you can add the product information, the name and the description. You can customize the price and options. So you can turn this on and change the discount and the sale price. Also, you can manage the inventory in the shipping settings. So that's it. If you after you're done, you can just save this place and go back to complete design. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, if you want to change the color in the background, or if you want to change this image, for example this image, just click here and search on your image. Okay, so you can select your favorite one. I'm gonna choose this one here. Okay, so if you want to change the text, if you want to change the text, so just click here and create AI text, and now you can select the type of the section. For example, this is about section, and you can also insert information here to include, and click here and it will be created for you. You can make it shorter if you want, or generate another one. So that's it. So if you want to change the image, just click here and change strip background, and you can change it from here. So that's it. If you want to move the section, you can move it down or move it up. Let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, the same thing. If you want to change the text, just click here and create AI text. If you want to change the font, just click here and change the font as you like. For example, this one, and you can change the style of the paragraph. So that's it. So this is the last section here, the footer section. So just enter your email and your company name for the copyright. So before you go live and publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile. Also, if you want to save, you can save it just from here, your home page. And after you're done, you can just publish it and you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.